there! I'm with the Digital Writing and Research Lab, also known as the DWRL at the University of Texas at Austin, and I am here to talk about developing professional audio skills and putting them onto a website format like a blog. You might consider what your academic and/or professional goals are for recording audio. You might record audio files for different reasons. If you record audio for podcasts, if you conduct interviews for projects, if you intend to provide sound-based transcriptions for the visually impaired, and if you want to host any sort of audio files for your own professional or classroom website, enhancing them with visuals, which will help with the overall polished presentation of your work. So I'm here to help you visualize your audio files. There are several audio file options you might want to represent. But one option might be through listed and embedded links as seen through SoundCloud. We will upload a sample MP3 file to SoundCloud and then attach an image to it in order to professionalize it. In this case, we will use the DWRL logo. You might have a few images in mind that you might use, so you'll want to keep them on your desktop. In this video, we'll first go to SoundCloud. We'll upload an audio file. After it's uploaded, it gives you the option to upload an image file. One issue you might find when uploading a visual file is that, depending on where it's saved, it may come up as a TIFF file. SoundCloud prefers JPEGs. Really quickly, I will show you how to deal with such an issue and to convert that photo. Take the file from your desktop and drop it into Photos. Open up Photos. Click on the file and go to File, Export, Export one photo. It will be set to JPEG. Then hit Export. Then it will show you the desktop screen and you will click Export again. Now we are ready to use a visual icon to represent an audio file. Upload your JPEG from your desktop. After you've figured out how to upload your JPEG, then we're going to finally embed this audio file onto a blog. In this case, we'll be using WordPress. Before we get into WordPress, copy your file from SoundCloud using Control-C. All you need to do is go to Create New Post. Then click on the HTML option and use Ctrl-V to paste it in. Click Visual to preview, then click Post, and you'll see your recorded media is accessible and visually pleasing. To conclude, you've learned how to upload a converted file and representative image through SoundCloud, then embed this image and file onto a website or blog format such as WordPress. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to check out other digital writing and research lab resources on our website, dwrl.utexas.edu.